Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pause your Shopify store. So to do that, first go to Shopify website and then log into your store. Alright, so once you're in the store, if you want to pause your store, all you have to do is go to settings and here click on plan. So over here you have some options. So if you have a Shopify plan that you have taken, here you'll get an option to pause your plan, but since I am on free trial, so I have this option for deactivate trial. Click here, click on continue, and then click on deactivate store. So there you go, that is how you can pause your Shopify store. And if you want to reactivate, all you have to do is click on this reopen, and then your store will be reopened again. So that's it. That's how you can deactivate, or that is how you can pause your Shopify store. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.